Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use all the basic features on your Casio AE-1200WH. So this is going to include how to set the time and date, the DST on and off, the home city, the light duration between LT1 and LT3. So we are going to learn all about the functions that you can adjust from the adjust button. If you want to watch the full guide on all the functions and features, including the world time function, the stopwatch and the 5 alarms, make sure to check the link in the description box below, because I'm going to make a full guide on all of that. So as I mentioned guys, all you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button. You are going to hear a small beep. The first thing that we can set are the seconds. If you reset them between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0 and no minute is going to be added. If you reset them between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but also a minute is going to be added. Now if I press the mode button, I'm going to go to the next option, so to the next feature, and that is the DST. As you can see, I have the DST set to off. This is the daylight saving time. If you want to switch to on, you can see that we are going to press the button on the right and it is now going to be on. Also, the time has changed, so make sure to use it only in case you really need it. I prefer to leave it at off. Then I'm going to press the mode button, and as you can see here, we can adjust the home city. This means that you first want to set the correct city that you are in, so the capital or the city that corresponds to your time zone. You can use the two buttons on the right in order to go east and west. As you can see, if I press the top button, I'm going to go west, and if I press the button on the right, I'm going to go to the east. As you can see, Madrid, Paris, Rome, and so on. I'm going to leave it at Rome since I am in Italy. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can adjust the hours, so I can go backwards using the top pusher or forward using the bottom pusher. You can also press and hold any of these two in order to speed scroll, so to move faster. As you can see, the analog, let's say, time is also going to be adjusted. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can adjust the minutes. Once again, you can use the speed scroll function in order to adjust faster, and you can use it in both directions. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here, something really important is that you can choose between 12-hour display and 24-hour display. I prefer the military time, as you can see, but if you prefer the 12-hour display, you can see we are going to see 6 p.m. And now here we have 12-hour display. I prefer the 24, so I'm going to press it once again, and as you can see, instead of 6 p.m. we see 18. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we can adjust the date. So we are going to set the year, the day of the week, and the day of the month, and Casio is going to automatically calculate the day of the week. Once again, I can go backwards and forward, and also I can use the speed scroll function. So as you can see, I'm going to leave it at 2027. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can adjust the month. As you can see, I can make it November, December, or January. I'm going to leave it at January. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again in order to select the day of the month. If I press and hold, once again, you can speed scroll. I'm going to make it the 20th of January. If I press the mode button, we are going to arrive at the last function, and that is where you can select between LT1 and LT3. This means that if you select LT3, the light is going to be activated for 3 seconds once you press the light button. If I press the bottom pusher, I'm going to go to LT1, which is going to mean 1.5 seconds. So the light is going to be activated for 1.5 seconds when you press the light button. If I press it once again, I'm going to go back to LT3. I prefer this one, so I'm going to leave it for 3 seconds. If I press the mode button again, the cycle is going to start all over again. So you can adjust something in case you made a mistake. So you can go forward, you can choose a different home city, select the time and hours, maybe the 12-hour display, or maybe you need to change something when it comes to the date. Once everything is done and is correct, we are going to press the adjust button, and that is going to finalize the process. all the things that you have set are going to be saved. And as you can see, we have here the day of the week, which is Wednesday. As I mentioned, if you select the year, the month, and the day of the month correctly, Casio is going to calculate automatically up to 2099. So that is something really cool. Then, if you press the light button, you can see that the light is going to be on for 3 seconds. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. If you found it useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to also post that full tutorial on all the functions and features of this particular model. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below, guys. If you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. It really helps it grow. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.